What does the Supreme Court say about self-defense and the Second Amendment? Have you ever wondered how the Supreme Court views self-defense in relation to the Second Amendment? This topic has sparked much debate and discussion. The Supreme Court has made several key rulings that clarify the relationship between self-defense and the right to bear arms. In the landmark case of District of Columbia v. Heller in 2008, the court affirmed that the Second Amendment protects an individual's right to keep and bear arms for self-defense, especially in the home. This decision was significant because it established that the right to firearm ownership is not limited to militia service. The court emphasized that self-defense is a lawful purpose central to the protections offered by the Second Amendment. Following this, in 2022, the case of New York State Rifle and Pistol Association versus Brune further expanded the understanding of these rights. The court struck down New York's restrictive concealed carry permitting system. This ruling emphasized that gun laws must align with historical traditions of firearm regulation. It also made it clear that law-abiding citizens should not have to prove a special need beyond general self-defense to exercise their rights. Then, in 2024, the case of United States v. Rahimi addressed firearm possession restrictions for individuals under domestic violence restraining orders. The court upheld certain limits but reiterated that Second Amendment protections apply broadly to law-abiding citizens. This ruling highlighted the importance of historical context when evaluating modern regulations. From a conservative viewpoint, these rulings support the belief that the Second Amendment safeguards the right to armed self-defense against threats, whether from criminals or government overreach. The court's focus on text and tradition is seen as a defense against restrictive policies that could limit access to firearms for responsible individuals. Practical implications of these rulings include opposition to red flag laws and universal background check mandates, which many view as incompatible with the court's individual rights framework. The legal reasoning in these cases reflects a commitment to personal autonomy, with self-defense recognized as a fundamental liberty. Overall, the Supreme Court's decisions reinforce the idea that the right to bear arms for self-defense is a vital aspect of personal freedom and security in America.